Hello! Here is a short video to show you how to contact us with your general questions while we operate online. Basically, there are three main ways to contact us: by email, through live chat, and with voicemail. The first and most efficient way to contact us is through email. You can do that by signing into your school or personal email, selecting the Compose an Email option, and addressing the email to wac@arc.losrios.edu. Please include the following information: any question or issues you are having, your first and last name, and your student ID number. A more immediate way to interact with us is through the Canvas live chat. During our operating hours, we have staff on hand to answer general questions. Our hours of operation are Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., and on Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. To access live chat, you should log in to the Los Rios Canvas site. Once you are in, click on the Canvas link, and then select the WAC class for which you are enrolled in. On the left, in the list of items, click on Chat. It's in this window that staff can answer general questions or help troubleshoot problems, such as how to find your grade, where to access our workshops, or any kind of technological issues that you may be having. Due to the open nature of the chat channel, staff cannot answer specific questions about your grade or other confidential student information, nor can they look at essays. If you need help with your essays, there is a link included down below in the description box about how to book online conferences. The last way to contact us is by leaving a voicemail. You can reach us at area code 916-484-8802. Messages will be monitored between the hours of 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday through Thursday, and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Friday. Responses will be returned within 48 business hours. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you.